Hot work, like welding, cutting, or grinding, is essential on many job sites, but it's also dangerous. Each year, 3,396 structure fires occur because of these activities, leading to injuries, fatalities, and massive property damage. And in many cases, these incidents could have been prevented with proper fire watch practices. The Fire Watch Safety Course by OSHA Online Center is a quick, 17-minute training that prepares you to recognize hazards and take action before they become fires. This course will teach you how to identify fire hazards when conducting hot work, monitor surroundings to prevent sparks from igniting flammable materials, ensure safe distances between hot work areas and combustible items, know the right fire watch protocols to follow during welding, cutting, or grinding tasks, respond effectively in case of a fire or emergency, ensuring everyone's safety. A fire watch isn't just someone standing around, it's a vital role that requires vigilance and knowledge. By learning to recognize the subtle warning signs of a potential fire and understanding how to intervene quickly, you can prevent accidents before they happen. In the course, you'll also learn how to safely conduct your fire watch duties in real-world situations. Whether you're using fire extinguishers, establishing fire barriers, or creating clear evacuation plans, you'll gain the confidence and skill to prevent harm. When you complete the course, you'll receive a Fire Watch certification, a recognized credential that demonstrates your ability to prevent workplace fires and ensure compliance with fire safety regulations. Don't wait for a fire to put your team in danger. Be the difference between a close call and a disaster. Click the link in description below to enroll in the Fire Watch Safety course at OSHA Online Center.